Hey guys, this is Chuck with Chuck's Hobby Spot, back again. Well, I'm gonna get annoying and have a bunch of videos again. So this is the 40 Ford that I'm putting in the group build. So I thought I'd do a what's in the box of this, a partial what's in the box just of the 40 Ford right now. And when I'm done with this, maybe I'll start another one and do again another what's in the box. So let's do a what's in the box, or maybe even halfway through this build I'll do another what's in the box on this, because I have to cut everything open and I'm gonna have a lot of loose parts in here. So but I am kind of looking forward to building this, and I'm looking forward to getting some street rods on the shelf. So maybe this would be this build's gonna kind of inspire me to do a lot of different things. I think I did have a lot of fun when I built that little 32 over there. You guys all seen this on a different video. So, and that's, you know, done very well. So everybody loves that little thing when I take it out. So like I take it out like I'm driving it or something when I take it to a show. So I'm gonna have fun with that. This is gonna be an awesome build. So thanks everybody for putting this on. It's gonna be a pretty cool build. I think in the last video I showed you guys I did this one, and it was fun. So see what I can come up with for a panel. So let's do a what's in the box on this. So here's the destructions. Why do you watch this crap? Anyway, it gives a rundown of the sedan and what people did and modifying them, and let's see what else it's got here. There's the flathead. It looks like a nail head. And I ain't doing that, I don't think. It's got a lot of different options on this little thing, so that's skipping ahead a little bit. Of course, I don't think I'm going to use the wheels and tires. I think I got something planned in my head, which I always do, and see what happens. I can never build something box stock. That's why I was trying to get into some of these Tamiya stuff, because I can build that box stock and it almost box stock. Well, there you go. See these? That's not a Tamiya, but it's an Aoshima. But I figured you could, but I can almost do in box stock. And James Tester, he kind of got me into building some of these. Him and Jeff Bowman kind of got me into building some of these Aoshima and Tamiya kits, so, which I'm starting to really like them. I'm a hot rod guy, muscle car guy. It's probably where you see some of my best work, which isn't all that great. I don't know why you guys watch this crap. Man, I gotta get this going. This is three and a half minutes just on the instructions. But I thought you guys would want to see it. You know, it's kind of cool. It's an old train. I don't know how old this is. It's got to be in the 90s. I think I might have said that in my last video. Let's see what's in the box here. I cut them, but it didn't take them out. So, and for the normal person, I mean, two-toning one of these might be pretty legit, because you don't have to mask a lot, you know. You've got the body. My dog's barking. Probably somebody mowing my yard, probably. And you got the bottom piece. It'd be easy to two-tone one of these, because, you know. But I think I might do a little different on a two-tone here, maybe. It's the wheel rings, fenders. Looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to clean up. A lot of people don't like AMT. I like AMT because you get a lot of different stuff from AMT. They do different stuff that everybody else doesn't do. And I don't really have a problem with a lot of companies. I mean, I just build, you know. So this is one thing I don't care about in here, but I'm gonna deal with it. So I'll deal with it. That's one thing I didn't really want to deal with, but I will. What do they call this? A banjo rear end? I got a lot of, this thing was just kind of packed in there. It looks like the flathead pieces. Engine block halves. Custom seats. Looks like that might be a custom dash. Another engine half. There's the other engine half. There's the hood. You can see the witness line from the cutout on the bottom, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. I don't like that. The rear opens on this. Custom billet steering wheel, looks like. It's the original bench. You go on that. Looks like a kind of a basic build. The chrome now, let's see. Chrome still looks good after all these years. Actually, it's not bad. Chrome's pretty nice. I might save these wheel caps for something. You can always use them. I used them on that 55 Chevy that I did. I don't know if I'm gonna strip these bumpers or not. Yeah, everything still looks good on here. I mean, that's a long time to have chrome in a box, and it's still pretty nice. Let's look at the other side of this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Well, my mind's already twisting with this thing, so it'd be kind of cool to bring even maybe some progress to some of my club meetings. Here's some of the tires. Looks like some custom tires, some original tires. I'm not using this. I'm not using this crap. But that's what's in the box, a big pile of plastic. So, wish me luck. I'm gonna work on this kind of slow, guys. So I really need to get this thing over here done, the Z. It's been on the bench for a while. So, and then I got that that Fairlane that I'm doing kind of right now too. I'm restoring. So I got lots of things on the bench. So nobody have any more group builds right now. Okay, I'm gonna get going. Why do you guys watch this crap? I'm telling you. Talk to you guys later. You guys have a good weekend. Bye.